this is going to work on pretty much any flat-backed, domed top, slightly tapered side stone. So let's get into it. I'm just going to carefully flatten that, get that nice and flat. So this stone always goes in the same place, yeah? Don't start turning that around and doing different things with it. Make a decision where it goes on the stone. Like if you've got a pattern on your stone, like I've got a dark patch on this one, so I've just noted that mentally, so I know to put this on the same way every time. So yeah, that's springy in that shape, so I am carefully gonna, like I wanted to move that way a little bit, I've got to move it too far, just so it kind of bends it too much. Come back, that's approaching correct. Does actually fit quite good. That's really good. It's actually better than I thought it was going to be. Anyway, so that's what I've got. I have got, I don't know if you can see, where my join is, there's a bit of a gap there. But apart from that, all the corners and everything line up. Oh, that's quite gappy there. Yeah, there and there, I've got a bit of a gap, but it's so minimal. I ain't gonna worry about it. That's good enough to continue. Jobs like this I find quite enjoyable. You're just doing minimum things, but making a lot of progress. It's quite fun when you actually can make something quickly. And we're doing everything perfectly accurately. But there's not a lot of time involved in this, so anyway, it should work out all right. I mean, it's not the end of the world if you've got a pin to go in slightly one way or the other, but you may as well practice controlling the outcome of the things you're making at every opportunity. The tool I will use for that is this, which was actually a setting burr. One of those, I just ground down the top point. So that's actually a good tool, really useful. Good trick doing that. And then there's no teeth, nothing abrasive on the top, so for this kind of job, it's good. Just quickly take the solder off the sides. Come on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Right, that's flooded properly now. You can, it's advised to like chamfer, like taper that setting edge so you're pushing a thinner bit on the stone. I think this is already thin enough to push against the stone. I'm sort of pushing it to the stone and down a little bit with just a flat pusher. And just bit by bit, just work my way around it. This is quite careful work, you're certainly not whacking at one. I use both sides of this hammer